So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing device developer option detected error problem in your Gcash app, so guys watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing how to fix this problem in your Gcash. So guys follow these steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, firstly you have to open your phone settings. Now after opening the phone settings, so guys you have to search for developer options here. Okay, now searching for developer options. After searching for developer option, the developer option will be shown. So guys you have to click on these developer option button. After selecting these button, if your developer options are on, so guys you have to turn off the developer options in your phone. So this is the first step, so you have to back from it, and after going back you have to search for apps option here, and after searching for apps option you have to select the apps and select manage apps button. After selecting it, the installed apps list are shown on this page. So guys you have to search for Gcash here, and after selecting Gcash you have to select the storage button here. After selecting the storage you have to clear cache and clear the data of Gcash app. Firstly you have to clear the cache, and secondly you have to clear the data of Gcash app. After doing these steps, you have to go to your phone's home screen and open your Gcash app, and then your problem will be solved in Gcash app. I hope guys you understand what I'm saying in this video, and if you guys having any other problem you can comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.